the orange bright. I will be showing you how to do it. So watch the video till the end. This is my first Lightroom preset to share with you. Open the Lightroom mobile app. Select an image to edit. Go to the Lights panel. Adjust exposure to 0.24. Contrast, -53. Highlights, -69. Shadows, 87. Whites, -100. Blacks, -24. Click on the Colors panel. Set temp to 25. Tint to 9. Vibrance, 48. Now go to Color Mix. At the top button. Hue, -2. Saturation, 6. Luminance, 20. Select Orange Swatch. Hue, -14. Saturation, -4. Luminance, 20. Select Yellow Swatch. Hue, -60. Luminance, 29. Saturation, -59. Select Green Swatch. Hue, -12. Saturation, -100. Luminance, -50. Select Aqua Swatch. Hue, -100. Saturation, -100. Luminance, 20. Select Blue Swatch. Hue, -25. Saturation, 5. Luminance, -20. Select Purple Swatch. Hue, -41. Saturation, -100. Now go to Effects panel. Set the texture to 14. Clarity 34. Dehaze 17. Select split tone on the upper right corner. In Highlights section, set hue to 159, and saturation to 11. In Shadows section, set hue to 208, and saturation to 3. Then, set balance to -25. Select Details panel. Set Sharpening to 8. Radius 1.30. Masking 27. Noise reduction 15. Color noise reduction 40. You can now copy the settings. Then, apply it to your images. Just click on Paste Setting. Then you're done. Subscribe to the Olden Post channel and press the bell icon to watch our latest videos.